Standing your ground. Is it useful outside of your home? Standing your ground is only permissible on your property when you are in absolute danger of your life. Although there are states like Florida that you can use stand your ground not at your home, like when you're intended to be a place like your workplace, stuff like that, that you can use it. Castle Doctrine. The Castle Doctrine is a common law doctrine that designates a person's abode, or in some states, any place legally occupied, such as a car or workplace, as a place in which the person has certain protections and immunities and allows such a person, in certain circumstances, to attack an intruder instead of retreating. Typically, deadly force is considered justified homicide only in cases when the actor reasonably feared imminent peril of death or serious bodily harm to oneself or another. The doctrine is not a defined law that can be invoked, but is a set of principles which is incorporated in some form of the law of most states. 46 states, including Connecticut, have incorporated the Castle Doctrine into law. The Stand Your Ground Law in Iowa. The Stand Your Ground Law provision would allow people in Iowa to use deadly force anywhere if they believe such force is necessary to avoid injury or risk to one's life or safety. It also would allow a person to use deadly force even if an alternative course of action is available, and an individual could be wrong in his or her estimation of danger, and it'd still be fine. This is a map of the United States. As you can see, the reddish color of the states are the states that have passed the Stand Your Ground law. There's a various amount of prohibitions you can have with it, and then the orangish color of the states are the ones that have brought it into court or law and have kind of are debating on whether to legalize it or not. And the ones shaded in gray, they haven't even brought it into their justice system yet.